Firefly 17.1-inch concept laptop blasts through Far Cry 2, features a second 4.3-inch screen. Laptop magazine's gotten their grubby little hands on a new concept notebook from Voodoo, HP. Called Firefly, it's one beefy flying insect too, at 17.1 inches and 13 pounds. After the big 17.1-inch 1920x1200 screen, the machine sports a secondary 4.3-inch screen at 800x480, handy for checking email, various widgets, and even full web pages. Under the hood, there's a 2.4 GHz Core 2 Duo CPU, 4 GB of RAM, a 250 GB 7200 RPM hard drive, and 2 ATI Mobility Radeon HD 3870 GPU setup in Crossfire mode. Other features include a side-mounted multi-touch trackpad, backlit keyboard, Creative X-Fi audio, and a built-in webcam with night vision features. Yes, night vision. The Firefly apparently blasted through Far Cry 2 with all the settings on very high, which is mighty impressive for a laptop. It should be noted that this specific rig might not ever make it to market, as it's just to show off what's possible. Although we'll likely see similar offerings from HP, Voodoo in the near future.